Cheers. So creamy. Look at that creamy texture. Let's enjoy it. So I have to jump for it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Let's try it.
Trying the durian in the kampong.
Yeah, I have to try the durian.
As kampong boy.
Durian hunt here in the kampong, fresh out from the farm. Let's go for it.
Good.
Let's try durian in Penang.
It's food or nothing else.
We are here for the food.
It's food or nothing else.
We are here for the food.
It's food or nothing else.
Yeah, we are here for the food. Hello, Gotti. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, little Gotti. Assalamu alaikum.
We have to find the durian, we have to cut ourselves. Let the guy come off. Uncle.
To the mountain top, right up there, to hunt for the durian. Let's go. Yeah. I'm so excited. I've never experienced this before in my life. Careful, man.
Try. Hey, Tico, try, man. Eat unlimited, bro. I want you to guys experience it, you know.
Yeah. Man, this is so creamy. So how do you plug the durian? How to plug it?
They drop himself. No one can climb this tree. Guys, look at the size of durian, man. It's not that good, but it's still quite nice because it's fresh. It just fall down from the tree net.
Exactly. Fresh out.
Let's find another.
Durian.
একটা দুটো পাওয়া যাবে না আর খাওয়ার জন্য
This is so creamy, juicy.
Yo, look at this. I found another one, man.
Yeah, another durian.
Like DJ Khaled said, another one.
Another one.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, cut it. Careful.
Easy, man.
I need to give it another cut. Oh. Give it one more cut.
Just take, man.
Yeah. Nah. Let me have it. Fresh out, straight from the durian farm here in Penang. This is so sweet and creamy. Penang durian hits just like the food, differently. Yeah, another one. Let's enjoy the durian. Oh, this is the creamiest durian I've ever had. And this is my second time trying durian. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at the durian. Fresh durian. Yeah. We found another durian. Fresh out. It just fell not too long. Let's enjoy it. This durian season, we're here for the food. We're here for the food. This is fresh out from the farm here in Kampong, in Penang, at the durian farm. We're hunting for durian. Let's try it. All right. Cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it.
You're gonna love this, man. Come, take.
Wow. Wow. Damn. Woo.
Man, feel like Orchid and everything.
Yeah, God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Capture it. Look at that.
And take.
Damn. Look at that. Ah. Ah. Man, I'm in love with durian. So addictive. Rich butter creamy. Yummy. I can't even stop eating. I eat it whole day. This durian is finger licking.
Cut it, cut it. Chase, durian chase. Take 3, then chase.
Okay.
Take, bro, track nicely. Okay, cheers, boys.
Cheers. Delicious durian, butter creamy. Yeah. Woo, look at that. Guys, let's enjoy this rich durian. So creamy. Look at that creamy texture. Let's enjoy it. Ah. This is so rich and creamy. Durian is addictive. Look at that. Last one. Yeah. Whew. This is a different kind of feeling. The durian here in Penang hits differently. I'm enjoying it. We're here for the food. Now let's go to the next point. The durian compound hits differently. Seriously. This is like the sweetest durian I've ever tried. I don't even know the name, but this is just the sweetest durian I've ever tried. This one hits differently. the Kampong durian here in Penang. You need to try it straight from the farm. So I have to jump for it. Hey, look at that. Fresh out from the farm. Let's try it. I don't know the name of this fruit, but we just found it here in the farm. So we just plucked it.
What? Let me try one.
How to bust it? When they ate it. Okay, yeah. I made it too. Wow, look at that.
It's so another level.
Look at that. Let's try it.
So nice.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Terima kasih.